Hi there, today we're unboxing the Google Home. So we already own the Google Home Mini, really liked it, so we thought let's get another one, but the larger one. Now one of the things I found with the Google Home Mini is the sensitivity of the microphone is okay, it is reasonable, but from what I've read this is a little bit more sensitive. So hence why we thought we would give it a go. And even listen to music, for example, should be a bit more enhanced with this one. So let's have a quick look around the packaging. So purchased as part of a Black Friday deal. So I think it came in at just under £80. Quite a hefty weight to that. So nothing more on there. So let's open it up. First of all, there's a tab here. That's nice. I didn't notice that initially. Help open, and another tab here. Just pull that off, and then we should be able to just pull it up. There you go. Yep. Let's tape that up at the sides. Very interesting packaging there. Oh, very nice. Very nice. There you go. Let's have a look. There's the speaker. And let's see what else is in here. I open that up. Okay, so we've got some get started cards. Pretty straightforward, you know, setting this up. Oh, let's have a look at this. You've got your microphone there, lights when active. The entire top is touch surface. That's pretty cool. Mute microphone button is on the side. And there you go. Sort of functionality available. Okay, this is openable. Oh, okay, sort of things you can say to it. Obviously, that's that. Different colours you could have as well. It's quite cool. I don't think price-wise it will be very cheap, but no biggie. And let's have a look in here. So you've got the actual power supply for the Google Home. A bit chunky, really. A little bit of weight to that as well. Don't really like it that large. I'd prefer to have a USB charger, or sorry, a USB power supply, just to have something generic. It probably requires more power than a standard one. There you go. Output is 16.5 volts. So yeah, a USB is about 5. So hence why they've given this. Okay, let's plug this in the background before we turn on the Google Home. Let's have a quick look at the actual Google Home itself. Reasonable amount of weight to it. Good build quality. All plasticky at the top. The rubber pad at the bottom, you know, so if you've got it on a surface, it doesn't easily slide along. Obviously a material finish where the speakers go. Just unscrews. I didn't know about that. And if you see, you've got 3 speakers from what I can see. Let's have a look if there's anything else. I didn't realize you just pops open like that. Got a mini USB point. I think that's for servicing or something, maybe. I didn't know. Not sure what that's for. We can have a little look later on. But yeah, let's put that on. That's quite easy to take off as well. So let's put this back on. Charge point is just there. You've got the mute button there. That looks like it could be related to the microphone or something. Maybe these. We've seen that. Okay, so that's that. Let's plug it in and give it a go. Turn the plug on. Light starts flashing. Let's close that. Put it straight on there. Okay, I'm just going to turn the top light. Maybe here as well. That's quite cool. As it's starting up.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, we've got the Google Home.
Google Home isn't set up yet. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, so we've started our Android device. We've got Google Home on there. Let me start that up. It's identified the new Google Home on there. Let's go for the setup. Go next for this. So it supports both 2G and 5G Wi-Fi. So I'm going to try and connect it to a 2G. Okay, we heard the sound. Let's continue. I'm going to put this in the dining room. That's the test network we're going to put it on. Okay, set up your Google Assistant. Let's go next to that. Okay, continue on that. Okay Google. Okay, oh, hey Google. Okay Google. Hey Google. Okay, doing a voice match. So initially I did get a screen for address, so I've skipped that one. Video services, okay. We'll skip that. No thanks. Skip that. No thanks. Okay. Installing update. The latest Google Home software is being installed. About 2 minutes left. So let's let it. Oh, okay, it's done it. Continue.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Okay. Okay, Google. What's the date?
It is Sunday, the 17th of December 2017.
Okay, Google. Tell me a joke.
Okay, here you go. What do you call someone who points out the obvious? Someone who points out the obvious.
Okay, that was hilarious. Very nice, smooth action there on the volume, so that's good. Wonder what it does when you mute.
The microphone is muted.
Okay, cool. Okay, so I've tried this on my Google Home Mini. So let's try it on this one. So, okay Google, play me a video from YouTube.
Okay, playing recommended YouTube videos on Chromecast 8141. Sorry, I can't find Chromecast 8141.
Cool.
Please ensure that your cast device is turned on and connected to the internet.
So straight away it tries casting. So that's quite an interesting one. Next, let's see if it's automatically picked up my smart lights in my house. Okay Google, turn off hallway light.
Okay, turning hallway 9 ab 4 off.
Okay Google, turn off hallway light.
Sure, turning hallway 9 ab 4 off.
Okay Google, turn on hallway light.
Sure, turning hallway 9 ab 4 on.
Excellent. So it's already integrated with my home automation through my Google Home Mini. So I've set it up on there, so it works straight away with this. Okay, so we've got our Chromecast set up. We've got our Google Home right next to it. So let's try playing something from YouTube. So let's start off with, okay Google, on YouTube, play Geek Street.
Sure, playing Geek Street from YouTube on Chromecast 8141.
Excellent, works as expected.
Hi there, today.
Okay Google, Pause Chromecast.
Let's have a quick look around the packaging.
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that yet.
Okay, Google. Pause.
Let's begin to open it up.
Okay, you do have to speak up a bit. Let's try lowering my voice and speaking quietly to it. Okay, Google. Stop. Okay, Google. Start. Okay, Google. Play Chromecast.
Sorry, I can't do that yet.
Yeah, it gets a little bit confused. I guess voice-wise, it does pick up a lower voice, but it's not as sensitive that as much as I thought it would be. But still good. Okay, Google. YouTube, play Geek Street.
Sure, playing Geek Street from YouTube on Chromecast 8141.
Okay, Google.
Hi there. Today
Okay, Google.
Unboxing a Dell
Skip
laptop.
1 minute.
Let's have a quick look around the packaging.
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help.
Yeah, it's struggling because the sound is quite loud. So, okay, Google. Skip 1 minute.
I have the safety and regulatory information. It's fine.
Okay, Google.
Cable.
Skip to next video.
It's fine.
Okay, Google. Skip to last 1 minute.
Hi there.
Okay, it's gone back. So, a little bit of tweaking, I guess, what you say to this thing.
Dell laptop.
Okay, Google, pause.
Let's have a quick look around the packaging.
So good. It's nice you're able to connect. It's nice you're able to actually control your Chromecast and your smart lights. The other thing, from what we've found from the Google Home Mini, we can set multiple accounts on there. So if you have another person in your home, you get the Google Home configured on their device, and obviously their voice gets linked to their account, so when they talk to it, it's quite unique to them. So that's quite a nice feature. Sound quality wise, let's try picking something with some music and let's see how loud it goes. Okay, so we've got to the Google Home app, and when you click to the side to pull out the menus, you've got, I'm covering up because it's got my email address in there, but we've got cast, screen and audio. If I click that, so you can also do this on the Google Home Mini. Then obviously select the actual Google Home, and then now if I just pick something, the audio should come out of there. It's maximum volume. So not too bad. Clarity is quite good. Easily controllable. Nice amount of bass, really, you know, for a tiny speaker. So that's one of my comments about the Google Home Mini. The sound quality, obviously, from such a small speaker, it's okay. It wasn't amazing or anything, but this is much nicer. So good, really good. Much better than the Google Home Mini. Okay, so the next thing we're going to show is to be able to actually play music on the actual Google Home via Bluetooth. So if I click here, we've got dining room speaker here, which is that one. I'm going to click that. Just going to go off camera just for a second, because it's going to show my account details. And just to go back to what you have, paired Bluetooth devices. So if I click on that, there are no Bluetooth devices paired to the dining room speaker. Enable pairing mode. There you go, dining room speaker. So as soon as I click on that, and let's go off camera just for a moment, just pick out something to play. Just play the same video again. So that's playing via Bluetooth, so that's quite useful to have as well. So obviously you can have other devices without having Google Home on your device to be able to actually play music. So it's quite good. It just has like a standard Bluetooth speaker. And again, just to highlight, the actual sound quality is much better. So if that's what you're sort of after when you're getting this, to play music as well as general usage with a good speaker, I'd say this is probably the better one to buy. There you go. Very nice, cool design to it as well, I think. Okay, so you've seen the Google Home in action. Works well with smart tech. So you've seen it turning my lights on and off in my hallway, so which is quite cool. You've seen it interacting with my Chromecast, so that's quite nice. So sound quality wise as well, you've seen it playing music via casting and also in Bluetooth mode as well. I didn't show this previously with the Google Home Mini, so that's quite a nice feature to have. The quality of the sound is far more superior on this than it is on the Google Home Mini. There is a little bit more bass in there, which is nice. Clarity is very good as well. One of the disappointments I did have with this is the microphone. So I've also got an Amazon Echo Dot 2nd generation, and I found the microphone on that is a little bit more sensitive, so it can sort of pick up sounds quite quickly, whereas this, it seems to struggle a little bit. So I think future enhancements, they should really improve the microphone. But as a general product, I am very pleased with it. You know, it seems, even the voice itself, it seems a bit more natural than the Amazon Echo. And a nice product. Let's ask it. Okay, Google, were you value for money?
On the website businessdictionary.com, they say value for money.
Okay, Google, stop. Okay, Google, should I have bought you?
On the website l.stackexchange.com,
okay, Google, stop. We are happy with this. I guess you've just got to be a bit more mindful what you say to it. Perhaps let's ask it a general thing. Okay, Google, tell us a joke.
Okay, here you go. What is an antisocial vegan? Someone who avoids meats.
Okay, Google, are you cool?
As a cucumber.
There you go. It is cool as a cucumber. Thanks for viewing. Hope this has helped anyone thinking of buying this. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, Google. Bye.
Until next time.